The Mayas, we say, Kimakin wall in Wilik. That it means, I am happy to see you again. I'm happy to see you again. Because in the Maya understand, it's not the first time we're here. It's not the first time we're doing this work. That's one of the reasons I say I'm happy to see you again. Very happy. So now we're going to do many things at the same time.
No necesitas este micrófono, ya tienes. Habla.
Habla, habla.
Te oímos sin el micrófono.
Okay. Modern technology. Today, I have many things to communicate to you. But the first part is this. Many people from here stay here. We came from New York, pilgrimage from New York to this place. Most of them bringing Christ's skull. The reason is we need to reactivate our ceremonial centers, the Maya Itza. So we came from there to here because exists historical reason. That reason is long time ago, the troglodytas Mayas, they were in Manhattan. Troglodytas Mayas. Okay? So they went there, the troglodytas Mayas, to receive the people that are coming to this continent. And this continent, the name for the Mayas is Tamuancham. So they went to receive the people there. Many people, they came and began something to do for this beautiful land. But they make some mistake. The mistake is only the physical aspect they work it. That's one of the reasons we have many problems in the world today, because only in the physical aspect they create the beautiful place.